I think I'm going with the big money saving joints. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This is one of those rare times where the sneaker look better after you cut it. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I showed y'all an early review of the big money saving Nike SBs, but this the one in the back of my mind I was hoping I had a chance to get. We never seen like big news of a general release of this sneaker, but I've been keeping my eye on this sneaker, man. Today in 4K, we're going to do an in-depth review on the Nike SB Dunk. What they calling this?
A few moments later.
I got so confused because some people calling it the pastoral print. Some people was calling it the football skin. It was so many names of this sneaker, but I think Nike is going with City of Style. Don't get it confused with the City of Love. I showed y'all both pairs of those. Y'all remember that. City of Style is what these going with. And this is not the first time we seen this this print. Like I told y'all, they had like that funny Nike SB. It's hard for me to pronounce it, but it had that same pastoral print. And then you also had Paisley print joints here that I really like. I only rocked them once on my birthday, but I really like this pair. I really like this pair though, but I like it better cut, guys. And I'm not the person that buys sneakers to cut them. I mean, if you wear them and then they wear off like the Nike SB Jordan 1 LA to Chicago, as you can see, the red is starting to bleed out into my purple. If that happens like this naturally, then I'm with it. But I ain't never been that good in art, guys. I ain't been that great. I be seeing them use that that knife and they be doing their thing, but it's just not for me, guys. But we've been talking too long. Let's get into a full in-depth 4K review of this sneaker right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it looks like a rerun of yesterday, man. Purple box. I guess purple boxes is the thing for this year. Even though the Risa, the skateboard girl, with the gold medals, Risa Rock, that dunk that I showed y'all is actually right there. It came in the gray box, the white box, the chrome box. But the last two releases been coming in the purple box. And it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM football gray. See why I thought back it was football gray. Coconut milk. When you flip open the lid, you get that green and white paper. You do get the Nike SB sticker. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB City of Style. Style of City. I almost said City of Love. So it's this one big print, man. It's like one big pink print with some nice thick gold, like very put together, guys. So it's called pastoral print. So it looks like a regular day in the woods. You got some trees all the way around, clouds. I don't see any birds, but it's the same print all the way through the sneaker. That's why I told you when you cut the shoe, that's where you get like the dopeness. But let's look closer. There you go. You got like a globe with swoosh, with a Nike swoosh in the globe, right? The trees, some clouds. And it's the same print from back and forth, right to left, up and down. The same print, man. And it's a nice, like, I don't know, lavender, I want to say. but the gold around it is what like that divides it, really gives it that like that oomph to me. So here's the toe box here, guys. So you got a tree. I don't know, it looks like everything's underwater to me. But look how thick the gold is, guys. Like, it looks like a zipper is so thick, the gold. And that's all the way up. You see the sandwich that we usually get here. The gold cuts that off. But just look how thick the gold is, guys. Even the swoosh stands out because of the thickness of the gold. That comes all the way to the back. They got a regular OG Nike logo also in that gold. And the inside is just like the outside, but the gold is what makes it stand out. Speaking of gold, even the tongue has the gold tab, the Nike SB Dunk Low. Top of the tongue is even gold around it. Of course, you get the big fat SB tongue, but even the shoelaces is gold. Now, I wish they would have went with, like, you remember the Chrome 4s from back in the days? Those had something to be called, like, big money savings, too. Speaking of my last video, that gold was like that glitter gold, that, you know, that hard shoelace. You do just get soft, regular SB shoelaces instead of that gold, glittery shoelace look. The tips of the shoelaces have that same like blue lavender look we getting all through the sneaker. As you see, the sock liner is the same color as the tips on the shoelaces. But under this, guys, is all red, and that is crazy to me. And I think I like it better because I like red better. But I do like this canvas look of the SB. The bottom, gold and white, just like them women 4s that just came out that keep restocking every other day. But that's the bottom, guys. And the inside is gold on gold. You get the Zoom Air look, as you know, the Zoom Air technology in every SB. With a Nike SB swoosh there. Let me show you the back of the tongue. They got that nice blue with the gold. But the overall color of the sneaker is like they calling it football gray, which I never seen a gray football, but it is what it is, man. As you can see right here, if you look at the shoelace lock, let's get that to focus. There you go. You got little red in there. The red is already creeping. If you could see, the red is creeping out. So I think enough wear in the sneaker, you would get that red to come out organically. But from right to left, nothing's changed with the sneaker. I mean, it's a Nike SB. It's not a collab. So really, nothing changes from right to left. Sometimes you do get a little bit of like Easter eggs, but everything looks the same. Even the designs from right to left on both shoes. As you can see there, I'm showing myself instead of showing y'all. But yeah, nothing but that football gray, I guess, all through it with some gold hits. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below which latest Nike SB, you know, both of these reviews are early. You're getting them early, but which ones y'all rocking with overall? I think I'm going with the big money saving, but y'all let me know in the comment section below. Yes, sir, man. So if you're looking to cop this sneaker, I think the release date is April 19th. I'm not too sure, but Nike shot dropped them, and I was able to cop. I also got the shot drop to the military force. Should have that review to y'all in a couple of days. I still got some Supreme stuff to show y'all. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Like I told you, the shot dropped last week. I think retail was like $120 to me. New York, ship, tax, all that stuff. Right now, StockX Go has it for about $150. I don't believe there's no hype around this sneaker, but people love to get these sneakers and cut them up and make all kind of TikToks and stuff. So I could definitely see that happen. As far as the quality, I love it, man. The canvas is stiff. It's together. This gold around it gives you like luxury vibes. I don't know. I just wish it was more. I'm not feeling the regular just football gray. I wish it was more colors, man. But I do like the sneaker, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.